Hello, in this video tutorial we're going to talk about how to create a flashlight by using Unity. You can download it from Asset Store as a free asset, or you can create the flashlight by your own. So first of all, let's create the flashlight by our own. So choose 3D object and then choose cylinder. Bring the cylinder up, to this position. You can see it's a big, so we should scale it. We should scale this cylinder. Let's say this cylinder is flash body, and click to the C button and D to create another one and rename it as flash head. And let's scale it down and bring it up and scale it another time like this, and we should put it like this. Okay, we have flash body and flash head. Now let's create empty folder, and let's name it as the flash, and put the flash body and flash head inside this uh, empty object. Then now let's scale it. You can now click to R button and scale it like this. You know that the flash is small, so this is our flash. Let's rotate it 90 degree like this, and then put it here. Sorry, I should choose all the flash. Okay, let's say this is the flash, and let me see now if it's shown in the game. No, it's not. So let's bring it up, bring the flash up. Let's see where's the position. Here's the position. We should put it in the perfect place. I think now I can see it. Let's see. Let's run the game and see. Great. I can move it down a little bit like this and move it like this. Now I think it's great. Let's run the game again. Cool. Now this is the flashlight. Now let's create the light source. So right click, then choose light and choose spotlight. Now rotate it by clicking to the E button and rotate it like this, and move it because it's down. Put it in the good position. Okay, now this is the spotlight. Let's rotate it down like this. We can see this and let's increase the range. Now let's run and see. Good. So now put the spotlight inside the flash, then put the flash inside the player. So this is the flash, because if I move now, if I move the player, the flash will move with me. So you can move. I don't know why the flash look like this, but let's move it down and see now. Good. Now let's try to put the script inside the scripts. And why I want to use the script, because I want to turn on and off the flashlight. So let's create a script, create C# script, and rename it as the flash lights, like this, flash lights. because to avoid the problems when you run the game. Flashlights like this. Now take this script, Control A and Control C to copy, then choose all the writing here and click on Control V to paste. Now here you can see the update when you press the F button, the flash will on, else the flash will not work. So when we press to the F button, the flash should work, or when we press the F button, the flash will disappear. So here, go and put the flashlight script inside the spotlight. So hold it and put it here. Now open the spotlight. You can see the script run here. You can take the spotlight and put it here. Now let's run the game and see. Now if I press F, it will work. If I press F again, it won't work. Like this. Here's a simple way to create a flashlight. You will find the script down below in the description. Thanks for watching and bye.